Join me as I take on the challenge of exploring solo in 2025 like a pro, pushing my limits and discovering new places all on my own. In this video, you'll discover essential tips and tricks for solo travel in 2025, from planning your itinerary to staying safe and enjoying every moment. Many solo travelers struggle with feelings of loneliness and safety concerns. It's natural to feel apprehensive when venturing out alone, especially if it's your first time. You might worry about navigating unfamiliar cities, trying new foods, or interacting with strangers. These concerns can be overwhelming, but the key is to acknowledge them and take proactive steps to address them. One of the biggest misconceptions about solo travel is that it's only for the young and reckless. On the contrary, solo travel is for anyone who's willing to take the leap, regardless of age or background. By being mindful of your surroundings, staying connected with loved ones back home, and trusting your instincts, you can minimize risks and have a blast. Solo travel is an incredible opportunity for self-discovery, personal growth, and making unforgettable memories. We'll explore various strategies such as choosing the right destinations, connecting with locals, and leveraging technology to enhance your travel experience. Destination selection is critical when traveling solo, as some places are more conducive to solo exploration than others. Consider cities with strong solo travel communities or countries with well-developed tourist infrastructures. Another essential aspect is connecting with locals, whether it's through group tours, language exchange programs, or simply striking up conversations at a hostel. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone and engage with the local culture. Technology has also become an indispensable tool for solo travelers, from language translation apps to social media platforms that help you connect with fellow travelers. By embracing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to a stress-free and enjoyable solo travel experience. When it comes to staying safe, it's essential to trust your instincts and take necessary precautions. Research your destination thoroughly, stay informed about local conditions, and avoid traveling alone at night whenever possible. It's also crucial to stay connected with loved ones back home, whether it's through regular check-ins or sharing your itinerary. Another critical aspect is respecting local customs and traditions, which can go a long way in avoiding uncomfortable situations. By being mindful of your surroundings and taking proactive steps to stay safe, you can minimize risks and focus on enjoying your solo travel experience. The key insight to remember is that solo travel is not just about being alone. It's about empowerment, freedom, and making unforgettable memories. Solo travel is an incredible opportunity to challenge yourself, step out of your comfort zone, and discover new passions and interests. It's about immersing yourself in foreign cultures, trying new foods, and learning new languages. By embracing solo travel, you'll develop a newfound sense of confidence, independence, and self-awareness. Solo travel is not just about the places you visit, it's about the person you become as a result of those experiences. It's about the growth, the transformation, and the memories that stay with you long after your trip is over. When you travel solo, you're not just exploring new destinations, you're exploring the depths of your own soul. To summarize, embracing solo travel in 2025 allows for personal growth, adventure, and the opportunity to connect deeply with the world around you. If you found these tips helpful, be sure to check out my next video on the best solo travel destinations of 2025 and share your thoughts in the comments below.